Hey guys, I just got back from watching Trap in the theaters, the latest M. Night Shyamalan movie. I don't know what the hell this was. this was this was an absolute train wreck of a movie. I think it didn't really know what it wanted to be. It seemed like a movie to help M. Night Shyamalan get his daughter more attention for her music. The music was fine. She was fine in the movie. Josh Hartnett was great in the movie for what he had to do. But the logic and the plot and almost everything else was a complete mess. I don't know who this movie is for. I don't know why M. Night thought this movie was a good idea. It's like the most tropey serial killer movie I've ever seen in my life. There's not really any thrills in the movie either. It's just kind of a waste of time. I'm usually never this hard on a movie, but I just felt like this movie was a huge waste of time and a huge missed opportunity. I don't get it. Bad, really bad.